Hello everyone, let us discuss another question. The length of the Khandala tunnel on Mumbai-Pune Expressway is 330 meters. On the road map, it is shown by 16.5 centimeter long line. Construct a scale to show meters and to measure up to 400 meters. Show the length of 289 meter long on the expressway. So, what this sentence means, the length of the Khandala tunnel on Mumbai-Pune Expressway is 330 meters. On the road map, it is shown by 16.5 centimeter long line. So, this says that if you draw a 16.5 centimeter long line, it will actually represent 330 meters. ओके यानी 16.5 सेंटीमीटर लॉन्ग लाइन आप खींचोगे तो वो एक्चुअली में रिप्रेजेंट करेगा 330 मीटर्स. Construct a scale to show meters and to measure up to 400 meters. So what is this? This is our maximum distance. So let us calculate. First step, representative factor, that is nothing but drawing scale upon actual scale. Drawing scale means जो हम लेंगे that is how much 16.5 centimeter upon actual scale, how much it is 330 meters. So 16.5 upon 330, why 100 into 100? Because I have to convert meter into centimeter. So you will get 1 by 20 into 100. Next step, length of the scale, that is nothing but representative factor into maximum distance. Representative factor, just now we got 1 upon 2000 into 400 meters. So 1 upon 2000 into 400 into 100. Again, why this 100? Because I have to convert meter into centimeter. Remember, length of the scale has to be in centimeter only, and representative factor should be dimensionless. So either you convert centimeter into meter or meter into centimeter, one and the same. So you will get your length of the scale as 20 centimeter. Next, ratio. Ratio is nothing but maximum distance upon minimum measurable distance. Maximum distance is 400 meter. Minimum measurable distance, from where you are going to get the hint? From here. कितना आपको दिखाना है? 289 meter. So what is the least? 9 meters. So either you find out the factors of this 9. Okay, it can be 3, it can be 9, or it can be 1. For our simplification, generally it is suggested, or I assume generally 1 as my minimum measurable distance. So 400 upon 1. So meter cancel, so you will get 400. Now as the ratio is greater than 100 but less than 1000, so it is a diagonal scale. See, in the question कहीं पे भी ये मेंशन नहीं किया है कौन से टाइप का स्केल बनाना है. It's just said that construct a scale, so it can be plane scale or it can be diagonal scale. So this ratio will tell you what kind of a scale you have to construct. Now next step, ratio is equal to main scale division into subscale division into diagonal scale division. Ratio you got 400. Main scale division depends upon the factors of the maximum distance. So 400 nothing but 4, 1, 2 or 4 is the factors of 4. I have taken 4 as my factor. Subscale divisions I don't know, I have to find out, so I have assumed as x. And diagonal scale division, by default we take 10. So when you will calculate you will get x as 10. So that means आपके subscale divisions पे 10 divisions होने चाहिए. Okay, so now our diagram. First we will construct a rectangular box. This height again depends on you. You can take any centimeter. Okay, 2 centimeter, 4 centimeter or 5 centimeter, whatever value you want to assume, you assume it. But this length of the rectangle has to be how much? 20 centimeter. That is your length of the scale. So this length represent 20 centimeter. Now how many divisions we have to do on the main scale division? 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 where we have to write? After the first box or at the end of the first box. So this is 0. टोटल आपका 400 मीटर है, उसके आपने 4 पार्ट किए तो एक पार्ट कितने का हुआ? 100. सो 0, 100, 200, 300. कितना बच गया? 400 माइनस 300, 100. राइट इट हियर. एक क्रॉस चेक क्या कर सकते हो? minimum of the main scale becomes maximum of the subscale. Okay, fine. Now this entire thing represent 100 मीटर. उसके कितने डिविजन्स करोगे आप? 10 डिविजन्स. बॉटम में भी, टॉप में भी. अगेन 0 का बॉटम टॉप के फर्स्ट को टच करेगा, बॉटम का फर्स्ट ऊपर के टॉप के 2 को, 3 will connect top 4, 4 will connect top 5, so on you keep on connecting and you will get the diagonal lines. Okay, now this entire represents 100 मीटर. उसके आपने 10 डिविजन्स किए तो एक डिवीजन कितना हुआ? 10 मीटर. Minimum of the subscale becomes maximum of the diagonal scale, so I have simply written 10 here. Okay, and diagonal scale के कितने divisions करेंगे हम लोग? Because we have assumed 10, so we are going to do the 10 divisions. So get the 10 markings, draw the horizontal lines. Okay, so your scale is ready. Now you have to represent 289. How much maximum you can represent on your main scale? Only 200. कितना बच गया है? 89. On subscale, maximum is 100. So let's try to find out, can we directly show 89? This is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. At max I can show 80 because next is 90. So 9 will be somewhere in between this. So where will be the 9? You have to move on the diagonal scale. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9th from the diagonal scale and 80 from the subscale. ये जहाँ पे इंटरसेक्ट करेंगे ये क्या आपको रिप्रेजेंट करेगा? कितना डिस्टेंस? 89. सो 200 प्लस दिस 89 विल गिव यू 289. ओके, इट वॉज अ वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. See, I have taken meter, meter, meter because in the question it is written to show meters. So आपके मेन स्केल डिवीजन, सब स्केल डिवीजन एंड डायगोनल स्केल डिवीजन तीनों में मीटर ही होंगे. ओके.